This video I'm going to show how to assemble and attach the muffler back to the engine cover. Right, so I had to clean it a little bit. It was, if you remember from the previous video, it was quite packed with whatever carbon or whatever dust you can imagine. So it I had to sand it a little bit. I had to clean from inside, so I soaked it in the gasoline. And then we have this spark arrestor. It's very important that you either burn it, so I had to use this it's 510 degrees 1600 watts heat gun to clean it, because the spark arrestor blocks actually muffler, and none of the fumes can come out of this spark arrestor. So I had to clean it to attach it back to the engine. So I have to use gasket. So this is very important that you use gasket. Let me see, it was okay. And then I have two long screws that I will put inside. Let me see. The second one is here. So the better way to do it is to basically insert the screws. 1, 2. Put the gasket in and attach. Right, so it's in place, well fitted. So the funny thing that also there is a cover, and this cover, it's a little bit furry, so you can see that it's some kind of like material that they cover it from the outer part probably from the outer side probably to prevent you from touching the hot surface, because it kind of distributes the heat. So I'm going to clean it a little bit. It looks really funny. So I cleaned it, and now I'm going to attach it. Let me see. So it was on this side. The same is in here. Nope, I forgot one thing that I need to attach. It's the head cover. you had a head cover, the cylinder head cover that you need to put in place before you start actually start putting the carburetor holder and the muffler in place, so it will be a little bit tricky to get it in after. So I'm putting it in. Right, and the final thing that I'm missing here is the screw that attaches cylinder head to the muffler cover. Alright, it's in place. You can see that it's much cleaner now. The spark plug is here. You see here. The spark arrestor is clean, the cylinder head is clean. Well, the only thing that is left is carburetor and the fuel system plus air filter.